guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Today I am going to be showing you a Boujee on a budget try-on haul. I have been loving to just look in the sales section and really get stuff that I truly love. So the first shirt that you saw, oh my god, I freaking love that shirt. You guys know that comfort is #1 for me. I need to be comfy and cute, so I definitely really loved these shirts that I got. So I have been looking for a thick type of cardigan, but I actually stumbled upon this like cardigan blazer hybrid over at Nordstrom Rack. It was only $38, really didn't break the bank for me, so I really enjoyed that. I also got this nude bra, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. I love you guys so much, and stay bougie.